You died in a dream and woke up gasping. You die in a dream, you fall crash drowned, then suddenly you wake up gasping for air. Why does that happen? Some neuroscientists believe your brain runs extreme emotional simulations. When you're overwhelmed in real life, it creates the ultimate shock, your own death, to reboot your nervous system, like a hard reset. Others say it's ancient instinct, our brain practicing survival in the only place it safely can, dreams. So if you've died in your dream recently, maybe your mind isn't broken. Maybe it's just rebooting.